Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up donation on Twitch. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first step to set up your Twitch donation is to decide which donation method you want to use. There are methods like Twitch Bytes, PayPal, cryptocurrencies and more. So if you are choosing Twitch Bytes, then you can simply purchase directly via Amazon payments. Bytes are Twitch versions of digital currency that can be used to pay for special audio and visual alerts called shares. So you need to simply enable Twitch Bytes on your channel by going on channel dashboard and selecting partner settings. Once you select that, you need to now select bits and sharing. Now viewers can now donate to your channel by typing cheer and the number of bits they wish to send you. Typing cheer 10 for example into live stream chat tips the creator 10 bits. So by doing this, you can simply set up your donation on Twitch. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.